Daytona Town Fleet 1. Request Ponce Inlet and cross exam line 7 left and 25 right.
Fleet 1, Daytona Tower, proceed as requested, Daytona altimeter 3017, wind calm.
Proceed as requested, Fleet 1. Alright guys, here we go.
Oh my God.
Number 237, runway 7 right, clear for the option.
Right, clear for the option.
Daytona Tower, facing holding till 7 left, Papa 5, ready for departure.
633, Daytona Tower, roger.
Oh my,
What do you think?
oh my God.
It's amazing.
7070, turn off heading 030, contact departure.
030, contact departure, Phoenix 070.
It's a lot different from the Jet Ranger and the Huey,
Oh yeah.
and also the EC-120.
Papa 5, go ahead and clear for takeoff.
Are you doing picture stuff or just videos?
Don't know what
Okay.
just pushing button.
Pretty neat with the Daytona 500 right there. Daytona Town Fleet 1 crossing runway 16.
The shadow.
Well, there's your favorite place in the world.
Oh my God.
All the ocean you can take.
Phoenix 33, turn off heading 030, contact departure. Traffic's just behind you and off your left, about a mile, 500 feet low level of the helicopter.
030, contact departure, facing 33.
Fleet 1, traffic heading to your right, less than a mile, scout, turning northbound at 1,000 feet.
Hear me?
Roger, I got the aircraft in sight.
Pretty cool.
Oh my God, it's beautiful.
Any manatees or church yet?
Say what?
Do you see much sea life?
Yeah, a little bit. I'm gonna scoot down here to the beach till we get down to 300 feet.
Number 237, runway 7 right, clear for the option.
7 right, clear for the option, 237. Hey, Smart Tower, good morning. Fleet 1, what's with you?
Fleet 1, Miss Smart Tower, you going to the Lighthouse?
Yes, sir.
Fleet 1, Miss Smart Tower, proceed to the Lighthouse, and just give me a call when you turn them back northbound. Altimeter 3018.
Roger that, Fleet 1. Look at that, get it on the beach over there.
Oh my God.
Oh, that's cool. I've never seen all that.
Alright, guys. Bang it to the right. Here we go.
Oh. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Going back to the beach. Taking a right turn.
Oh my God.
Turn left, guys. To the rim, Delta 2327.
Oh my God.
Alright, ready to go. Thank you, Delta 1. Daytona Tower, Fleet 1 is westbound for the racetrack.
Fleet 1, roger, proceed as requested.
Proceed as requested, Fleet 1.
numbers 27 left to the flea market traffic, 2 mile final at the Chancellor.
Roger, crossover and to flea market, I'll be looking for traffic, flea 1.
Cessna 9 Mike Bravo, turn right at Papa 3, contact ground.
Nice.
3, contact ground.
That's cool.
Bravo, good day.
That's awesome.
Dayton 6, Sierra Romeo, no delay, runway 7 left at Papa 2, flight runway heading 7, takeoff, Chancellor, 2 mile final.
I thought that the speedway was like a perfect oval.
No.
It's not.
And so when I go off this track, departing Park Drive, additional traffic, helicopter crossing.
See those banks right there?
Quite a bank.
You have to hit those at about 90,
Oh,
or the car will slide.
oh my gosh.
This is November 0213 with you, 4 miles south from the fill-in bar for full stall. We have information, Papa. 80213 Daytona Terra, runway 7 right, cleared to land.
We rode that with our cop hikes years ago, Chris.
Yeah. Alright, I had aircraft in sight, right there to the right, crossing over.
Daytona Tower, Skyhawk 702 Golf Romeo, holding short of 7 go, ready for takeoff. 465 Ponce, that's on a 1.5 mile right base, extend to the south a little bit to follow. Flight down the track to site, runway 7 right, clear for the outside.
Yay.
Oh my god.
Great job.
Track to follow 11 o'clock in a mile and a half is on the, should be on the base of Cessna, and clear for the option number 2 for traffic.